Hi everyone, this is the first video on machine learning. I will start the video with machine learning, why it is so important nowadays. Actually, the companies want to make money or profit in their business, and to do that they want to predict the future. Machine learning can help us to do that. Now the question is, what is machine learning? In layman term, machine learning is to train machine with past experiences and machine learn itself to predict the future. For example, an automatic car. We need to train the car with all the information of signal lights, and when it runs on the road, it will predict the signal light and accordingly it will behave. Next thing is I'd like to share is how to prepare yourself to become a machine learning or data science professional. In this context, I would like to share my experience how I became a data science professional from a software developer. I know many of you are trying to switch your job as a data science or ML professionals or start your career as a data science or machine learning professional. To crack an interview in a machine learning job profile, you need to know the knowledge on different machine learning techniques, but you also need to know the steps or process is followed in data science project. End-to-end flow of a machine learning project is very much important. It's not only the knowing the machine learning techniques, you need to implement those techniques and know the flow. If you go through the tutorial in the internet, or if you go for any certification, you will get to know enough of machine learning algorithms or techniques. You will get the knowledge, but you will not surely get any information anywhere how to implement those process techniques, and importantly how a machine learning project works. Because before you implement the machine learning algorithm or any technique, prior to that you have to follow certain steps. You need to clean your data, you need to prepare your data, and then only you are ready to implement your machine. You are ready to train your model or your machine. And post the training of your machine, you need to validate your model. So those techniques and those processes, you won't get any tutorial or any help from anywhere. So to help on that, I have decided to make a separate video on that, explaining how to implement a data science or ML project. So if you know the whole process and practice few projects on different kind of data on your own, and then you will be easily able to crack or transform yourself. You can easily crack any job, or you will be able to transform yourself as a data science or machine learning professional. Now before you start your ML courses or ML learning, you need to know, or you need to brush up some things. First one is the SQL. SQL is very important in a data science project. Uh, some as Data science or machine learning is all about data, and you have to play with different kind of data. So if you know SQL, it will help you to play with data. So SQL is one thing. Second thing, I would say knowledge on basic statistics. It's not that you need to know, you have to be a very proficient statistician, but basic knowledge is required on statistics. And third thing is knowledge on coding. Because if you like, when you know the ML techniques, now you have to implement the ML techniques. You need to know, you have to write the code. And Python is now widely used nowadays. Everybody is using Python, and R also very helpful. And it's like somebody are comfortable in R. So If you know all those things, then you are ready to go. And that's all from today's video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. And please let me know your comments and suggestion in the comment section. And if you have any question related to this topic, you can ask me, you can comment on the comment section. I would like to answer them all. Thank you, bye bye, and see you in the next video.